you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the February Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club to show you. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the February 2026 T-Shirt of the Month Club by Shabby Lane has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing shirt subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, last month was a beautiful pink, definitely was kind of like a Valentine's Day themed, which I appreciated that they sent last month because I wore that on Valentine's Day. That was my Valentine's Day fit for the day, and I love it. Their shirts are always in the super soft and comfy Bella and Canvas unisex soft blended tees, and I absolutely love Bella and Canvas's shirts. It's literally what I live in all the time, so I'm so glad that that's the same brand that they use for all of their t-shirts because I love them. Super soft, super comfortable. They last a really long time, and again, I live in them. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm super excited because if you see the packaging, it looks like it's gonna be like maybe St. Patrick's Day themed. And again, I really love that they send you a month in advance. If that's the case, and I'm assuming by the packaging, because then you'll have it for that entire month. Not waiting until your thing comes in. Hopefully it makes it before the holiday comes, that kind of thing. They take that into consideration and they pre-arrange it so you get it the month ahead of time. I absolutely love that. I'm always for having a holiday ahead of time. I always decorate way ahead of time, that kind of thing. So I love that they do that. So with this one, you get the t-shirt, but you also get a fun little gift in there as well. It's a free little gift added with the shirt, so you have a little bonus every month. So, oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this color green is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up. There's even a monthly sticker that changes every single month, and it says kindness is free, sprinkle it everywhere. And that is the slogan for the shirt, you guys. I'm gonna show you those cards in a minute. I'm so excited about this. Look at that. Kindness is free, sprinkle it everywhere. Yes, it sure is. We need to definitely remember that. Now, I'm gonna say I love this color for St. Patrick's Day, but I love the fact that there's not like shamrocks or anything like that that makes it specifically St. Patrick's Day. So you have a beautiful green shirt that you can literally wear year round, but yet it's definitely appropriate for St. Patrick's Day. You know what I mean? I love that. So kindness is free, sprinkle it everywhere. I love the little hearts that are on for the eyes, dotted the eyes in a heart. Super cute. So you want to see this on? You want to see it on? So here is the shirt. There we go, you guys. Look at how gorgeous that green is. That is a very beautiful deep green. I don't have any color like this, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I love that. So not only do you get a free gift, which I will show you in just a second, you also get these cards. I love these cards. I tell you guys, you can put them on a board, you can put them in a frame, you can use them for scrapbooking, you can write on the back and give it to somebody as a card, a note, anything like that. But you always get 2 of these in the shirt, and then there's always 1 in with the free gift. So there's 3 every single month. This one says kindness never goes out of style. How cute. And then kindness is free, sprinkle it everywhere. Now this one does have the shamrocks, the 4-leaf clovers on the bottom, which I love. I'm Irish, so I love a good 4-leaf clover. But that is super cute. Again, you can put this in a frame. You can have like different ones for the holidays, but I love that you do get these. You can do anything with them. So there's those 2. Now down inside of here with the free gift will be 1 more. And here is the little note, and it has the same 4-leaf clovers. Kindness is free. Definitely sprinkle it everywhere you can. I hope this month brings you many blessings and many joy-filled moments. Enjoy the little things this month and hold on to hope every day. Most importantly, always remember you are enough. I'm so incredibly grateful for you. Because of you, I am able to do what I do. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Much love, Catherine, the Shabby Lane shop owner. Super, super cute. And then this one says, you are enough. Look at how beautiful. Yes, we all are enough. And you see those colors in the flowers? Look at how they match the bracelets in this gift. Like perfectly. These are super, super like springy colors. You have a blue, a yellow, a pink, and like a creamy white. I'm trying to line them all up where this gold thing is on the top. So I'm sure you can wear these all together if you wanted, or you can wear them singly, mix and match, whatever you would like to do. But here is 4 different bracelets for this month. And there we go. That's super, super pretty. I love just the light, like pastel colors to them. And again, you can just wear 1, you can wear 2, 3, or 4. So I love that. So that is now everything for the February T-shirt of the month club for this month. I cannot say that enough, how much I love this color and that it's appropriate for St. Patrick's Day, but it's not totally St. Patrick's Day. So like you feel like you can only wear it once a year. You know what I mean? I love that. And I love the color. And I love all of these. The bracelets are super cute. This is a really, really fun subscription. And I love seeing the different shirts every single month. The sayings, the prints, the colors, and they're always on the Bella and canvas. So that is a definite win-win. So here is the shirt. You have the 3 different cards and the bracelets. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for the February month's subscription. What do you think of this shirt? I absolutely love it. And if you're on the fence and you don't want to quite sign up right now for the monthly subscription, which you can cancel at any time, but they also have an amazing shop on their website where there's so many different shirts. They have long sleeve to short sleeve to even other like home decor. There's some jewelry in there as well, but there are so many different shirts, all different sizes, colors, options for men, women, holiday, anytime, dog mom, cat mom, like any themed, coffee, wine. You have so many different types on their website. You can definitely get them anytime. They will all be listed down below if you like to pop on over and check out their online shop or the subscription. If you like some information about the subscription, I will let you know right about now. There's 2 different ones actually. So let's go ahead and talk about the T-shirt of the month club since that's what I just showed you. The T-shirt of the month club is an exclusive T-shirt just for their monthly subscribers, and a free gift is always included. If you want to do month per month, it's normally $24.95 and it's currently on sale for $19.95. You can do a 3-month subscription for $73, a 6-month subscription for $147, or a full 12-month prepaid subscription would be $294 for all 12 shirts and all 12 surprise products in there as well. So the other subscription is an accessory subscription boutique bag. This is a fun monthly subscription from our shop, Shabby Lane. Will be filled with jewelry and various accessories. These are always a great value, at least 40 to 50% off when you're doing it that way. And that is no T-shirt, it's just the accessories. So you have a T-shirt only with the free gift, or accessories only, no shirt. That one is $29.99 for the boutique bag VIP membership, or $39.99 for the deluxe boutique bag VIP membership. So those are the 2 different options you have with signing up. But again, you can shop anytime for anything individually, no subscription required. So again, they will be listed down below in the description box for you. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.